Good morning, students. Here I am going to teach chapter 2. Let's start with operating system Windows 7. Okay, so first we will discuss about the operating system. So what is an operating system? An operating system is an integrated set of programs that manages the various resources and overall operations of a computer systems. It is designed to support the various activities of the computer systems. An operating system is referred by many names by different manufacturers of computers. Other terms used to describe the operating systems are executive, supervisor, master control programs. Okay, so why do we need an operating system? For best example, I will give. Suppose a parent or a guardian wants to meet the principal of the school, then he adheres to the following norms of the school to meet the principal. At first he goes to the office, then he asks the person concerned for an appointment with the principal. Next, he takes the instructions and reports to the personal assistants of the principal. Okay, the next, as per the instructions of personal assistant, the guardian meets the principal and interacts with the principal regarding the performance of his child. With thanks, he leaves the principal's office. From the above sequence, you must have noticed the system of the school. It provides smoother functioning of an organization rather giving importance to an individual. Though every individual of an organization is equally important, but the system is even more important. Okay, the operating system provides a routine and the user works on the machine with some features provided by the processor, arithmetic and logic unit. ALU. ALU stands for arithmetic and logical unit. Then control unit, etc. So what is an operating system? What is the definitions of an operating system? An operating system is the most important software running on a computer. To use a computer, an operating system is essential. It manages the computer's hardware resources and acts as an interface between the user and the computer. So Windows is one of the most commonly used operating system. Windows 7 is one of the versions of Windows operating systems. Okay, types of an operating systems. There are two types of an operating system: single user operating system and multi-user operating system. What is a single user operating system? Now, single user operating system has a CPU, one set of input and output devices. It supports only one user at any point of time and only a particular job or program is loaded in memory for executions. Okay, so single user operating systems example is what? Windows 7, Windows 8 and Macintosh operating systems. Okay, then next one, multi-user operating system. Multi-user operating system caters to the need of more than one user. Each user works on a different set of programs and data. In this environment, programs and data of more than one user is loaded onto the memory and processed by the operating system. There is a central computer that acts as a server and all other computers are connected to the server with the help of terminals. Okay, user 1 terminals, user 2, user 3, user 4 and user 5. There are 5 terminals. Okay, for example of multi-user operating systems are Unix, Linux, Windows 2000s. Okay, then next one, next comes to desktop. After logging in, the first screen that appears is called the desktop. It has several small pictures called icons, the start buttons and the task bar. Start button and the task bar. Okay, understood? Then right clicking on a blank area on the desktop opens a pop-up menu. This pop-up menu gives us the options to change the way the desktop looks. Okay, this is called personalizing the desktop. Okay, thank you.